Viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is gravity flip. So first of all we have to read our question. Here we can see little Chris is bored during his physics lessons. Too easy, so he has built a toy box to keep himself occupied. The box is special since it has the ability to change gravity. There are n columns of toy cubes in the box arranged in a line. The ith column contains a cube. At first, the gravity in the box is pulling the cubes downwards. When Chris switches the gravity, it begins to pull all the cubes to the right side of the box. The figure shows the initial and final configuration of the cubes in the box. The cubes that have changed their positions are highlighted with orange. Give the initial configuration of the toy cubes in the box. Find the amounts of cubes in each of the n columns after the gravity switch. Input. The first line of input contains an integer n1 is less than is equal to n is less than is equal to 100. The number of the columns in the box. The next line contains n space separated in integer numbers. The ith number ai denotes the number of cubes in the ith column. Output an integer number separated by spaces where the ith number is the amount of cubes in the ith column after the gravity switch. First of all, we have to have a look in our examples. Here you can see 4 in the first line, and in the second line you can see 3 2 1, and in the example in the output you can see sorted from of these numbers like 1 2 2 3. So into the second example you also see first of all 3 and 2 3 8, and into the output you can also see sorted from of those numbers, given numbers 2 3 8, though is already sorted. So first of all we have to go our replete. Then where is replete? Here replete. So after that we have to it takes a few seconds for network issue, so I am sorry for that. Wait a few seconds. So here you can see we has a class named main, and we have a scanner class and also package. So first of all we have to take input from our user. So for this reason we write int n is equal to sc dot next int, and after that we have to take, and after that we have to take a declare an array. So we write int array is equal to new int, and then we have to run a loop for take input from our user array, for take array input from our user. So we write here we take another variable which is int I, and we initialize by 0, and its address should be integer. So we write int I is equal to 0, I is less than, and I is less than, and I plus plus. So after that we take array input from our user. So we write array of I is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to and then we have to write this loop 2 times for our output. So we copy this and paste here, and again and we remove this input array statement from our code, and then again, and here we change our variable. Here we write j, and here we write n minus 1. After that we remove this, and here we write if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, then we have to swap. So we write, and then we take another variable which is temporary, and write arrow temporary is equal to arrow of j. Arrow of j is equal to arrow of j is equal to arrow of j plus 1. So arrow of j plus 1 is equal to temporary, and after that we have to run again this loop here for our. Here we write our output statement. Here we write system.out.println, and here we write arrow of j plus so we run our program. So here we made a mistake. Here we have to write arrow of I. So after that we have to run our loop, our code, and then we have to go our example, and then copy our examples, and after that we have to paste those into our paste here, and then you can see exception error. So here it's mainly for and then we again run our program, and then what is the sorry, we have to remove this ln from here. So and after that again we run, we paste our second examples, and you can see 1 2 2 3. So after that we have to copy our code, and we have to go to our question gravity flip. So first of all we have to enter here, and then go to submit code, and after that we have to paste our code here, and we have to click into the submit button. And then you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. If you understand this video, like, comment and share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.